Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about on how to make a good Discord server. Now, in order to make a good Discord server, first you gotta have a good template. Now, the best thing about Discord is you can actually get templates. You can also generate templates, you can import, export templates. It's a very good thing about Discord nowadays. So if you find a server that's aiming and that's good, you should try and copy that server. As you can see, this template that I'm using right now is for a school Discord server, right? So you've got your announcements. For example, if there's holiday tomorrow, I can announce them here, or stuff like that. And then you've got meeting plans, like people they're deciding to hang out, or they're deciding to do a group study at this place at this time. They can all chat over here and make that plan. Off topic basically things that are not related to school at all. Then you've got your lounge where people can chill and talk to one another. Then you've got your meeting room. All these things, these are what makes a good server. A good server is a place where people can always stay in a VC or talk to one another without feeling like this is not a place they should talk. So for example, if we go over to Pact right here, as you can see, they've got this main chat, self-roll, polls, Pact Kings, Pact Queens. There's so many things, right? They even have self-promo, so if anyone has a channel that they want to promote, they can use that. And then you've got their main chat. Now this is a server, this is an example of a bad server. Look at this. Their bot posts, like whoever joins, their bot just posted over here, right? This is not what you want to do. You want to have a channel dedicated to just, newcomers that post newcomers. This is not a good channel. So you want to really make sure what makes a good channel. For example, if we go over to a public server, right? Let's go over to some featured public channel. Okay. Featured. I really want to show you guys the Mr. Beast channel, but I don't think I can find it right now. But yeah, channels like those are really what makes them good. Oh, we just found it. See, over here, yeah, I can join, but I can't really do anything right off the bat because this channel requires me to verify myself. That way, people feel more confident talking to one another, knowing that the other person is an actual human and not a bot. That's what makes a good server. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.